What is going on, everybody? It is the Naughty Investor here, coming at you with another video. In today's video, guys, we're talking about Bitcoin and Bitcoin's next big breakout. I know lately, the past few months, I've been more of a news-focused channel, and that is still my priority. However, every once in a while, I do like to put out some TA videos to kind of give you guys an update on where I think prices are heading. Again, this is not financial advice, all that disclaimer jazz that I have to put in the beginning. And in today's video, I also want to add in that if you guys want me to do any altcoins, I'm a big altcoin investor. I could do some technical analysis videos on some altcoins, probably all combine them into one video. If you want to see them, comment down below and make sure you hit that bell notification icon near the subscribe button. That way you're updated of all my content. Now, in today's video, we're talking about Bitcoin and the next big breakout. I'm not talking about its day-to-day movements. I'm not talking about, oh, is it going to be up 1% tomorrow or 2% or down 3% on Wednesday. I don't care about that. I'm not talking about that. I'm not talking about the day-to-day. I'm talking about in this video the more week-to-week stuff and the more month-to-month stuff. Okay, so I'm talking about its next big breakout, and that's why I have the timeline on the one-day chart, not the hourly. I'm talking not long-term. I think I'm very bullish long-term as well, but in this video, it's kind of more of medium term, somewhere between short and medium term. Definitely not day trading type of video. So what is its next big movement and why? Bitcoin's next big movement will be a bullish one, meaning price going up, okay? And again, big movement meaning double digits, not these single digit day-to-day things. And the reason for that is this. There's three different reasons, okay? One is RSI. RSI has been picking up lately. We didn't go, last time RSI got really low, we didn't dip into overselling. We got very close to it, which is concerning, but we didn't dip into it. We kind of held steady just at the 30, under 30 would be overselling, but we kind of recovered from that. So RSI shows sell side action kind of depleting, if you will, and buy side action picking up. Next up is MACD. We see the MACD, we're kind of very close together. Now, blue line going over the orange line is bullish. Orange line going over the blue line is bearish, and that is very indicative of price. You can see right here, Bitcoin went from 8,000 all the way down to about 6, and look what the MACD was showing. Orange line, orangey brown line over that that blue line, and I think I can make this a little bit thicker if it helps you guys see it a little bit better. Hope that's not too thick. So that's on the MACD. So we have two positive signs. MACD looking hot. Well, I would say hot. MACD starting to appear to look hot. This could reverse. I could be wrong. But MACD is starting to look hotter. RSI is definitely looking hotter. Now, the biggest thing is the Bullinger Band. So the Bullinger Band, we're starting to see the beginning of a pull together, of a constriction, meaning price volatility going down and Bitcoin kind of just stabilizing a little bit. You can see right here, we're starting to push into that territory of where we're kind of having a constriction. Now, what happens with the constriction is the Bullinger Band tightens up. We establish a lot more calmness in the market, less volatility. It means there's less extremities, and then there's a breakout. There's always these breakouts with the Bullinger Band. So that's telling me that a breakout is happening. So this is why the breakout was happening. And the two other indicators are telling me that it is a good chance it will be a bullish breakout. I would say the next big breakout is probably, I'd say, a 60% chance it's bullish and a 40% chance it's bearish, depending. Again, there is a lot of news-driven stuff that's kind of happening to, I guess you could say, manipulate the market, if you will. But on a technical level, things are looking more bullish than bearish, at least for the next big breakout, which I am expecting over the course of the next 2 to at most 3 weeks because of the way the Bullinger Band is looking. And honestly, guys, if you're a hodler, if you're a long-term hodler, I would say, pretty soon, about right now, is not a bad time to load up on some more Bitcoin. And the reason for that is because in the long term, the very long term, I'm a big believer in blockchain technology. I talk to people in the industry all day long in different industries, and they're all saying the same thing I've been saying, that Bitcoin and many altcoins, don't count out the altcoins are huge too, Bitcoin and many altcoins are going to fundamentally change the way certain industries work. So you do have to keep the long-term vision in mind, but at least for the short to medium term, next few weeks, next month to month and a half at most, really, we're looking for a bullish breakout, and I think we're going to get it because of the way the indicators are looking. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a like, subscribe, share it. It helps me out a ton. Also guys, I will be moving about next week, so there might be a couple days without a video. I have a big opportunity in a big city, and I will be moving, and it's going to be a lot of stress to get there, but once I get there, I will be building an office and really be taking this YouTube channel to the next level. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Peace out.